Hey guys, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and today's video is a sponsored unboxing for FabFitFun. Now with that being said, let's jump right into the video. Once again, family, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY. I am Tammy, the host of the channel, and if this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, today's video is a FabFitFun sponsored unboxing, and this is for the spring edition. So, now I've already taken the box out of the package, but it says spring fling and very nice things. I'm telling you, to me they nailed their slogans that they put on the box, but this is the box, you guys. Make sure, if you are not partnered with FabFitFun, you click that link down in the description box and make sure you hit my code link. Now the box contains typically over $350 worth of products from sponsored brands, but if you use my code, you guys, you can get this lovely box for $47.99, and they are a seasonal unboxing. So every quarter for each season you will receive your package, you guys, but you do get the option to go on there and pick out highlighted things that you would like to receive in your package. And just make sure, you guys, that you do check out FabFitFun website. Their website is pretty easy to maneuver around, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now when you go into their website, you guys, you see all of their deals and their promotions, you guys, and they do let you choose which items you do want in your package. It also tells you how it works, lets you stay in control, and you can actually shop anytime. You can elevate your things. They do buzzworthy beauty, makeup, designer, home decor, fashion, innovative technology, accessories, and so much more. So you guys do make sure you check it out. They have over 1 million members, you guys. They have a price match guarantee, and you can always build your boxes, and you choose the designer that you would like to have from the items on the website. They do spring, summer, winter, and fall season. Once again, this this subscription service, you guys, can be utilized by anyone, and it is a great way to actually get your feet wet playing with different types of designer products. So make sure you do give them a try. Make sure you do click their link. Just even if you just go over their website and browse it to get a feel of the items that they do carry, and also here's their prices at the moment. So once again, make sure you do check them out. It is easily to join and become a member. And FabFitFun is customized just for you, a perfect gift for you, curated in California, and it just has a couple name of your high-end brands. And you guys, this is the Thrive Liquid Lash Volumizer Mascara. This is your mascara, and it is in the color called Brian, which is actually a black, but it's that liquid mascara. And I do use mascara. I'm not heavy on the makeup. I do it sometimes, but I'm typically a lipstick and eyeliner type of girl. We have that. We also have Sweet L'Oreal, and it's Sweet L'Oreal 6-inch dessert plates, and it is a set of 4. They're 6 by 6. make sure you do check them out. I think you will love, and they are a sponsored, it's a paid subscription. It's the right word. Oh, you guys, these are cute. We got two pink and two of the floral designs. I actually like these. Wow, that is gorgeous. But we have that and that. And then also the pink. So it's two pinks and two of the floral print. We have, I can't tell if they're socks, mittens, or what. We have a workout band and two sweatbands. This is what this is. Just in the nick of time for spring and summer. Just your sweatband. We'll take that off and keep the hair braided down. But just your typical workout sweatband, you guys. So we do have that coupled with that. Those are some pure, beautiful springtime colors. Your white, your tan, or your taupe, your baby blue, and a more of a, I don't know if what you would call this, like a pewter blue, but it's two different types of blues with two different types of grays. But that is gorgeous. We also have the Marlin plus Goat Strawberry. I guess this is a lip balm. I don't know. Let's open it up. Let's open it and see. Oh, what's wrong, you guys? This is a body oil. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells. Ooh, you guys, I wish you had smell-o-vision for this. This smells great. We will be utilizing that oil. Can't you smell it? Smell that. I know you smell it. Smell that. Oh gosh, that smells amazing. I also have a natural handy dandy little weed basket. And then the short storage. It's supposed to be the large grand pewter basket. Be great to put in your bathroom and use it in the style of a tray or sit it on your table, but more of a tray style to put your couple items in there. You see it's weed with that tan and that white. Cute, how cute, how cute. Especially all of you that are going more with your natural looks, going back to your woods and your earth tone colors. This will set a amazing vibe in the space. Typically you have about 10, at least 10 items typically in the box. We have 6. This is the last item, and let us see. Bag and a tote all in one. And this is Beyond Yoga. It's actually a yoga bag. You open it up. You can carry it as your typical backpack. But it's a yoga bag. This is going to come in handy. And if you're going to carry it at the backpack, it pulls in your handle. If you want to carry it as a bag, the backpack draws in. But you guys, this is a typical yoga bag. This is very handy. Has a cup holder on each side, and it also has a bottom section for storage here as well. I'm actually loving this. It fits my life right now, but I am loving this. Thank you FabFitFun for sponsoring this video, and to you guys, make sure you do check out FabFitFun. All of the information is down in my description, and because they are a paid membership subscription service, they do their collections by the seasons every 3 months, quarter, whichever way you want to phrase it, but it comes by the season. This is the spring collection. Be on the lookout for what we're going to be bringing to show you for the summer collection. But all of that information is linked. I'm going to put all of the information along with my discount code. Make sure you do check that out with that discount code, and I'll see you guys in another upcoming video.